Hello all.
Oh, hello, Jackie.
I'm doing a blog kind of thing, basically because Blake did well.
This little bastard.
Has decided he wants to know what other riders get up to on a race weekend. He could just look at the timetable because I'm in the same class as him, so he'll know exactly what I get up to. I get up, put the tyre warmers on and go out on the bike. But he wants other people to blog like him. I'm not going to be as cinematic as him because I haven't got time to do all the editing. So it's going to be me with my phone putting clips together. So here we are in the mouldy tent. It rained as we were packing away at Anglesey, and we forgot to get it out of the box in the garage, so it smells really bad and it's quite slimy. It's round 7, it's Oulton Park. You should probably have a quick highlight reel of my season so far. Last year I did have the fastest crash that I've ever had. Eating. That's 2 practice sessions out of the 3 this morning. Conditions have been really mixed. It hasn't rained, but it's just been drying really slowly. At the moment it's, well, the last session out it was too wet for dries and too dry for wets. Eating. Yeah, so I went out for the 3rd practice session, and after a lap it started heavy rain at Druids and Lodge, the second to last and last corner, and it's just got to the paddock now. So this is the qualifying results. Quite pleased. I was catching Polly up, so I thought, oh, I must be doing a decent time because Polly Richardson there is a demon in the wet. It was a good session. I didn't feel like I was pushing as such. I was taking it steady and keeping it safe for the racing tomorrow. Eating the Giflar. Eating. Eating! So Mr. I Don't Like Oulton has gone and put it second row.
Yeah!
Eating. So it's approaching the first race, 9 o'clock in the morning. Weather's perfect. No one's had any dry track time so far to practice, so it's going to be interesting to see which way this race goes and see what sort of times people put in.
Team!
Just finished the first race of the day. It was probably one of the best races I've ever had. The battle with Benny rages on. We had a fantastic battle again. In fact, the best race I've had this year, I think, has been with Louisa. She's not in the same class. It'd be good if she was, because then we could be fighting for points, but still, it's good racing. There's Tommy Phillips, his first time here. We could say Tommy Phillips did well. Holly Richardson did well, at Anglesey especially. Yeah, I'm hoping for rain. So I had a good race with this guy. He got first in the standards. Blake did well.
Yes, little bastard.
Health. So I've just had a nap. It's not something I normally do, but our first race was at 9 and our next race is at 25 to 4. There's no rain yet. It's getting a bit cloudy and a bit breezy, so we'll see what happens. Snack. One pre-race poo later and it's pissing it down. I don't know if you can see it, but it is now properly wet. So race 3 was wet. Not race 3, we only did 2 races. Race 2 was wet. And it was one of those where I didn't get a great start. I just kind of went steady, and if I overtake people, I overtake people. The people are, what are you doing?
I thought the generator was leaking. There's water.
Well, it's raining.
No, like all that.
Oh.
There's some there.
Well,
Sorry.
I've forgotten what I was going to say now. So my start wasn't great. I lost a few positions to the people that I wanted to beat. But by halfway through the first lap, I was in front of them. So it was a case of just see if they come back past, and if they don't, just carry on doing what I'm doing. And that seemed to work. I don't know what she's doing. Eventually, Polly came past as I was starting to slowly work my way through the quicker standard twins that had got a good start. But no rush to do it, and it worked out well. I think I finished 5th in class. Oh, Beth was panicking and worrying me, but yeah, the people next door to her had just chucked a load of petrol on the floor. Yeah, the reason we're sat in the van is because I think we've had the side door open too long and the light in the footwell has drained the battery. So we've got the generator running to charge a battery pack to jumpstart the van, which is dead. I'll just also say, I hope Tommy and Liam get the bikes fixed ready for Donington. As I was coming down the hill to the chicane, there was a big tuft of grass in the middle of the track. I instantly thought, well, Tommy's been off-roading again. And yet, by the time we get to the chicane, there's Tommy stuck behind the barrier. And Liam at the first chicane, it was just this dark, shadowy figure. Looking lost and confused, stood up. I think his air vest was on him, but he just looked so confused. And yeah, thanks to Liam Kirk's mum and dad for jumping the van off after our battery died. And the Paddock's Brad Ray lookalike who came with jump leads. It saved us waiting for hours charging the battery pack. Thanks. Also, that last race, I thought it was going to get red flagged because of where Liam landed after he crashed. So I have to say well done to the marshals for getting that cleared up, because he was right on the edge of the track. Yeah, I genuinely thought it would be red flagged.